And the croc is waiting.
All of them. They already know.
Oh, the croc is heading there. See that? Missed. He got it.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
Another one? Oh, one is caught. One is caught. Another one. Oh, and he's struggling. You can see the teeth of it. Click the pictures. Click the pictures. Oh, struggling. Oh. Oh boy. Yeah. Oh, another one is. There goes another one. Oh. Oh, you see that crocodile needs help. It needs someone to come and submerge the wildebeest. You see, he's just holding it. Oh, he made it. He's out. He's out. Oh.
No way.
Oh, he wanted someone to help.